Have you ever felt curious about meditation but weren't sure how to begin? You're in the right place. Meditation is a powerful tool for stress relief, focus, and overall well-being, especially for beginners. Today, I'm going to share 3 simple meditation techniques that you can start practicing right away, even if you've never meditated before. The first technique I'll introduce is focused breathing. It's one of the simplest and most effective ways to start meditating. How to do it: sit comfortably in a chair or on the floor. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs. Slowly exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Focus your attention on the sensation of your breath moving in and out. Try doing this for just 5 minutes a day. Set a timer and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. Give this a try right after this video and let me know in the comments how it made you feel. The next technique is body scan meditation, a great way to release stress and tension. How to do it: lie down or sit comfortably. Close your eyes and start by focusing on your toes. Notice any sensations, tension, or relaxation. Slowly move your focus upward through your legs, torso, arms, and finally to your head. As you focus on each part, imagine breathing relaxation into it. This is perfect to do before bed to help you wind down and prepare for a restful sleep. Have you ever tried a body scan? If so, share your experience with us. Lastly, let's talk about mindfulness meditation, where the focus is on being present in the moment. How to do it: choose a daily activity like eating, walking, or even brushing your teeth. Pay full attention to the experience, the taste of your food, the sensation of walking, or the feel of the toothbrush. Whenever your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to what you're doing. Start by practicing mindfulness during one activity each day, then gradually increase it. Can you recall a moment today when you were completely in the present? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. We covered focused breathing, body scan meditation, and mindfulness. These techniques are simple but powerful, and the key is to practice them consistently. Pick one technique and commit to practicing it for the next week. You might be surprised at the difference it makes. I'd love to hear which technique resonates with you the most. Leave a comment below, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. Meditation is a journey. Take it one step at a time and celebrate each moment of mindfulness you achieve. Enjoy the process of becoming more mindful and centered.